Gemini, this is your channel messages for the 25th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Gemini, on top of coming to you today looking like a thought with this choker, I would like to sing this song for you because perhaps your energy has turned me into wearing chokers. Ay, 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 ay. Brick and lace in other place. You love me. Running around, I can't get through my day. Thoughts of you keep consuming me, and I'm ahead, oh. Then I do it, but now I say that you're not mine, and I was wrong to think you changed. I wish I could stay with you another day. I wish I could change your mind and make you stay. I'd do anything to hear you say, and I'll be loving you eternally. Your love is wicked. Tears on my pillow, cause your love is wicked. Cry me a river, cause your love is wicked. Friends come around, say your love is wicked, but the kiss is what you get, don't you know it's wicked. Wait for your call, cause your love is wicked. I can't sleep at all, cause your love is wicked. Play with my heart, cause your love is wicked. And you just don't you know. Hey, 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 mama said, okay, because lace in another place. My life, hey, baby, I loved you from the very start. Even though I knew that you would break my heart, and I couldn't resist the way you touched my babe. And I was a fool to play, nothing to play it to. I wish I could stay with you another day. I wish I could change your mind and make you say that I'd do anything to hear you say I'll be loving you regardless. You love Demi. Cry me a river, cause your love is wicked. Tears come around, cause your love is wicked. But the kisses that you don't your love is wicked. Wait for your call, cause your love is wicked. I can't sleep at all, cause your love is wicked. Play with my heart, why you know it's wicked. But the kisses that you don't your love is. Hey, hey, don't break and lace in another place. Hey, hey. Know it, okay? So Brick and Lace is in the place, and Brick and Lace wants to tell you that your love is wicked, Gemini. Wicked. We're not saying that you are a wicked man. No. We're saying that the love is wicked. Tears upon my pillow, cause your love is wicked. Have you ever cried and had sex before? You ever cried till the kundalini rises on your spine and you start crying? Tears upon my pillow, cause your love is wicked. Cry me a river, cause your love is wicked. Okay? Your love is wicked, Gemini. I did not know you knew how to love that way, Gemini. Apparently, I thought that inexperience meant that you didn't know what you were doing. Apparently, you have been practicing. Probably online. Anyways, Gemini, let's go ahead into your pick a card. Pick a card, Gemini. So, if this is a card you pick, card number 1 is the... Let me make sure so I keep these 2 cards because I keep losing them. Card number 1 is the Knight of Cups. Gemini, so I'm getting, tears by your pillow, cause your love is wicked. Cry me a river, cause your love is wicked. Me getting, anytime you're in town, someone wants to be the one you call on. Somebody wants to be used by you, Gemini. Me getting there here, whenever you're there, whenever you're ready, whenever you stop work, whenever you just feel like, you know what, I just need some time to me. Call. Yeah, so I'm getting your love is wicked. That's what keeps her coming back. Because your love, not your heart, not your character, your love is wicked. They don't mean your love is wicked, meaning that your love is evil. Your love wicked as in this is the best love since sliced bread. Your second card is a Page of Cups, She's serving you and in return you serve her. I'm getting she make you feel like a big man, but when you serve her, you feel like a little boy. I'm getting is what someone's love does to you. The Tower card, Me getting 2 givers in a relationship is, where can you fail? We have the Ace of Wands. Your love is wicked. I've done my own. Take up on you. Come and carry feelings for you, feel love for you. Tears on my pillow, as if I'm done. Oh, your love is wicked. 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 Exactement. Your love is wicked. Me getting tears from my pillow because your love is wicked. Crap. Me don't know what you do. Do you play with toes and feet and... I'm sorry. Me getting your love wicked. Me don't know where I watch, who I practice on Gemini. All I know is that me getting that love that will make the girl run onto the bed. She literally run onto the bed and hold her back in and put her back down and put back her face down and her ass up and I'm sorry, Gemini. Me getting the love make she run out. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Ooh. Yes. Tears from a pillar cause your love is wicked. Cry in my river cause your love. Me getting a Leo or Sagittarius. Leo's love are wicked. If you know about Leo love sex alone will make you fall in love with them. Leo. Yeah, the Three of Swords, and then when they finish and left you, you feel heartbroken. Because Leo love is wicked, even though we're doing Gemini's reading. So something about you might have Leo Sun, Gemini Moon. And we also have the Eight of Swords. We're getting after somebody loved you, you couldn't find another partner to match. And I'm getting it's actually more, it's a big deal to you. We're getting you cannot find another partner. Every partner hurts you, or they don't do it like Gemini, or they don't do it like the Leo. We're getting something wicked. Yeah, Leo. That's all I can say. Let's go back to your pick a card. So pick one card. Your second card, if you selected this card, then your second card is the Queen of Swords. So with the Queen of Swords, let's see what's coming with that. We have the Knight of Wands, okay? So I'm getting something about a younger gentleman here. He's a Cancer Pisces, no. Libra, Aries, Sagittarius man, him coming towards you. No, sex is in his head. I'm getting you're mature, you're more cerebral, you're not passionate, you're not fiery, you're airy, aloof. That's like someone flirting with you and you're like, serious. Someone's like, I wanna take you somewhere. Don't you have a wife? Aren't you married? Are you single? Do you want to commit? No, I'm getting you so serious, but someone's very playful and fun and come on, take a drink with me. And you're like, no, I don't want to be seen out in public. You're just like that. Yeah, the Eight of Cups. So abandonment. We're getting this fire side want to come back. Maybe somebody want to come back to have a good time. They don't want to come back to invest. They don't want to come back to say, here's the thing. Maybe you're coming to this lady to have a good time with her. Depending on if it's good or bad, you'll keep calling her back. She don't think that way. She feel like you have to make an arrangement for call her back before she even have sex with you. Because you're fire, you're passionate. You'll do it and then either you don't like it or you do it and when you go home, you'll be like, I need it again and call her. She don't want to make that gamble. She don't want you see if you like her or not. She want to know from now. What is the agreement now? Every Monday, every Tuesday, every Wednesday, I don't know what this is. Me getting she'll turn your back on you though. Because me getting you not offer nothing substantial. You just want to come spend time with her, have a good time and leave. Yeah, Seven of Swords. Okay, where you want to, okay, me getting you want to come round her, listen to her talk, listen to her mental prowess and then leave. Me getting you trying to pick someone's brain. Maybe that's how you're going to do it. You have to romance them, sex them and do all of this so they can pillow talk with you and then you just leave them with everything them say. Yeah, Wheel of Fortune. I feel like this person is your match though, but I don't know, there's something about sex. If this is your girlfriend, me getting your girlfriend is very, very serious. She's very... You wouldn't even think this person like intimacy. Like, she looks like she hates everybody. But me getting her boyfriend, him is a jokester, him is a comedian, him basically say hi to everybody. But the girl, no, you can't talk to she at all. Me getting the boyfriend nice, the boyfriend fun, jokey. You probably even said to the boyfriend, oh, you there with her? She laughs, she not boring, she not mean to you. And the guy's like, no, she's great. She just doesn't like people. She's the type of girl you bring to a party and then she said, babe, I'm ready to go home. And you're like, okay, sweetie, let's go home. I'm just like, say bye to everybody and go home. We have the Knight of Pentacles and we also have the Eight of Cups. We have 88 two times, 2 8s. 88. No, 88 can be, no, 808 is noise complaint. 88 is also HH, Hail Hitler. Somebody could be racist. No, if you're dating, we're getting a man black and a woman white. Oh, she want one baby from you. She need an interracial baby from you. Apparently something that she going to do with this baby. Make sure have access to a lot of money. Me getting somebody stole your period. Somebody stole your blood. This man, me getting the man take your cycle. You see say your blood off, your cycle off now. Or me don't know, me getting somebody steal your. This man him stole your cycle. Or something like that. I mean, if you want to know someone's cycle to know what to prepare for, that's one thing. But otherwise, I don't find it complimentary when a man I study me too. Why you watch that? Are you watching it because you want to know when you can call me, when you want to spend time with me, so I can. Why are you watching that somebody's? Why would you watch a woman's cycle? Why would that even be in your head for no? Anytime you hear a man talk about woman's cycle or man talk about that and a woman say yeah, the blood magic. That's all I always think. Now your final card is the Page of Wands, okay? Coming out with the Page of Wands, we have the Knight of Swords. We have the Ten of Wands. We have the Five of Wands. We have the Ten of Cups. We have the Ace of Wands, and we have the Page of Swords. I'm doing it pretty fast because I need to finish now because the privacy will not be anymore soon. So Page of Wands is starting the reading, all right? So there's something that's happening here. Do you do reality TV? Me getting you and your girlfriend and your husband go on reality TV. Before the show ends, to another break up though. I'm getting something is supposed to make two up on TV, you're supposed to fight every day. Maybe not fight over money. Or not fight about the fact that somebody was supposed to have a big wedding and be put up in this home, this big home. We're getting some fight going over this wedding was supposed to happen. We're getting the wedding can't happen unless there is kids in the picture. So you don't want to get pregnant, then you will not get a ring. Oh the fuck well. You know what? Shein have rings for $2. $2 Canadian I pay for this. So if the man don't want to buy you nothing, he is a dirty man. He can't even buy your flowers. Sweetie, this costs cheaper than flowers. And if I did have it, if I did ever walk, if I did ever decide, you know what, I don't want people to think I'm homeless. I want people to think I'm a well-kept woman. Or someone could have walked on the road and be like, yes, I'm still married. Yeah, I'm married. Yeah, great. Yeah, please don't talk to me now. Excuse me. Excuse me. Do you see what this means? It means my husband, right? $2 Canadian for this. Shein. Sorry, Shein. I always say Shein. Shein. So man need to know by now. One time them could have used, it's too expensive, I can't get married. You want to get married? Let's go down to the courthouse. You courthouse bitch. I actually is a courthouse bitch. I got married at the courthouse. So just show you. So next time someone feels like I'm a gold digger, you tell them gold diggers don't marry at courthouses. Gold diggers get married in the church. Calling me a fucking gold digger. I don't know how to dig gold. Asking me what I bring to the table. I'm homeless. I don't bring anything to the table. So if that man don't want to invest in you, if the man don't think about what I can do to make her happy, sweetie, leave him the plot alone. Why are you there with it? Why are you waste your pussy juices? The man couldn't even buy you $2. He couldn't even buy you a $2 ring. Time gets hard and demand them plenty. That's why no man I'll get me see empty. None of them now take me for fucking fool. So I'm getting, that's what the fight over. One big wedding was supposed to happen, but you don't want to do the wedding. Or I'm getting, you don't want people know you're no man married. Because you don't ready for come out of your single phase. Or I'm getting you just like to marry somebody else that will accept you cheating. Maybe that is going to happen. So really one time, girl, me friend, me Yardi, Jamaican, Kingstonian, Walton Park Road, Delacree, Land, me. No, sweetie. I not have time for them things there, sweetie. He doesn't want to commit. He don't like you. He doesn't buy you a ring. He don't like you. He doesn't like you cooking. He don't like you. He tells you that you take too long to get ready, so let he go on the road and you stay home. He don't like you, okay? I don't even know if you still want to go through this wedding. Because I guess you're not fight about a marriage. Why would you fight a man about marrying you? Why am I gonna fight a man? Why am I gonna cuss? Why you not marry me? You never marry. Why are you gonna give me my wedding? I told you. You want a wedding? No problem. We can go to the courthouse. I am no courthouse bitch. I am a courthouse bitch. I got married in Westmoreland courthouse. I'm not no courthouse bitch. Stop saying that. Okay. I'm getting my finances together. You're broke. That's how broke people talk. Maybe somebody's like, I'm trying to get my finances together. That's why we haven't had the wedding yet. You're broke. That's how broke people talk. Are you homeless? No? Okay, so how could you say you don't have money? Don't have money is for homeless people. How you work and you still broke? Or you work and you're broke? No, you see why I don't work. So work homelessness, it's the same thing. The only difference is 2 packs of sugar is that you ain't getting the cooking I'm getting here, brother. You don't know how we do curry chicken and rice here in a shelter. Get him out. I'm gonna leave it here on Sunday. Oh no, I can't leave it here. I had my exit so well planned. Oh my God, I can't leave it here. Curry chicken rice. Your girlfriend, your bitch can't cook like the woman here. I'll tell you that. Nah. All expense paid. You want to be in a relationship. How are you working and you are poor? For why? Oh, you look okay. How you working and you're poor? My homeless and my expense I get paid for. So you are working and you're poor. That is why in America them tell the girl them if you're there with no man you're not get nothing. When you're in Section 8 in America and you look like that, them do a Canada too. You say once them know you're there with a man, them not get nothing. You're not getting a house. You will get little social assistance. You're not getting nothing else. And if you're moving with the man, it cut off for both of you know. The government don't help you if you have a man. You didn't know that? Usually America stays so too. That's why them tell you on Section 8 if you're gonna move in our house, if a man in the house, they're gonna take you off of Section 8. They don't allow the woman and a man in the house together because you ain't gonna be fucking homeless and depend on social assistance. One on for getting the ass up. So perhaps that is why the Z11 has aided me because they saw that I'm a homeless. They see that every relationship fails and then she say, you know what, this bitch don't like nobody. We asked her father who she like and her father even got it wrong. We don't know who the fuck she like, man. So let's just take care of her. I will be her boyfriend. Thank you, 311. I needed you. I needed my boyfriend. 311, you have a son. You know what, my son? I want one diverse girlfriend. Very diverse. I don't know why my eyes are watering, to be very honest. It's just what the hell? Ooh. I don't know what happened. You saw the reading, right? It just came up. Oh, wow. It was just start watering. I promise I'm okay though. I promise. If I'm not, then you'll see me tomorrow. That's pretty weird. But okay. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.
Oh my God.